Check out this beautifully restored 1971 Chevelle SS. Under the hood, we have a monster 496 big block pushing out over 600 horses. The rest of the drivetrain is also new and consists of a rebuilt turbo 400 with a 3200 stall and narrowed 9-inch with a 370 posi. The car also has all new suspension with a 4-link rear end, coilovers on all 4 corners, and 4 disc brakes. It has weld racing wheels with 15 8.5s up front and huge 15 17s out back. These are all wrapped in Mickey Thompson street radials. This is basically a brand new Chevelle. The original Southwestern rust-free car was given a full frame-off rotisserie restoration. Gorgeous tuxedo black paint, all new bumpers, chrome, lights, lenses, grille, and emblems. Just about everything you see here is new. Just a beautiful car. As I said, this whole car has been completely restored. The interior is all brand new. Door panels, dash pad, dash, gauges, seat covers, console, carpet, new headliner. It's got a tilt column, carbon fiber type steering wheel, factory air conditioning car, but none of the AC stuff is in the car. It's got a new SS gauge package with the quartz clock. Stereo looks stockish, as long as it's not running. Seat belts in the back, even with the tubs. The rear seat is all factory. This car was done really, really well. Look at that beast. This motor started off as a ZZ454 GM crate motor. It's been upgraded with a 496 stroker kit, forged crank rods, pistons. It's got a ZZ502 aluminum heads on it, aluminum Team G intake, 1.7 aluminum roller rocker arms, ceramic coated headers. Like I said before, it's got power disc brakes, power steering, Dyno'd at over 600 horses. Runs great, good oil pressure. Even here in Arizona, never overheats. Really good running car. Let's do a cold start video. And there you have it, a beautifully restored 71 Chevelle SS. Nice thing about this car is it has tons of torque, but with the Mickey Thompson radials, you can still cruise down the freeway at 75 miles an hour, just like any other fully restored muscle car.